Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Hacks. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to write improper fractions as mixed numbers, and we're going to use a number bond to help us out with these problems. Hey guys, I want math to be easier. I want it to be a little less intimidating when you get a goofy math problem and you're not quite sure what to do. So if I helped you out in any way, drop a like, drop a sub. I want you to feel more confident when you walk into math class and maybe get an A on your next math test. All right, let's dive into it.
All right, improper fractions to mixed numbers, but we're gonna have to use a number bond to get there. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is take out your groups of one whole. So what that'll look like is if you have a denominator of 3, you'll be taking groups of 3 over 3 out. If you have a denominator of 4, you're gonna be taking groups of 4 over 4 out. Basically, your groups of one whole, but really it's just groups of whatever your denominator is to equal 1. Okay, here's what I mean. Well, let's take a look at 5 over 3. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out a group of 3 over 3 first. Okay? Then I'm going to have a group of 2 over 3 left over. So there's my 3 over 3, and then my 2 over 3 is going to add me back up to 5. Okay? So how would I write this number bond stuff as a mixed number? Well, this 3 over 3 is worth 1 whole, and then this 2 over 3 is worth 2 thirds. Okay, so I have 1 and 2 thirds. Again, 1 and 2 thirds. 1, and then my 2 thirds slapped on at the end. Okay, let's take a look at 7 and fourths. 7 over 4. Okay, well, I'm going to take out my wholes, or my 1 whole. Okay, so this will be a group of 4 over 4, okay? And then what do I have left over? Well, 7 take away 4 is just going to be 3, but it's 3 fourths. Okay, so I had 7. I'm going to take a group of 4 over 4 out of that, so I have 3 fourths left over, okay? Well, this 4 over 4 is going to be worth 1 whole, right? And then I have my 3 fourths left over. 3 fourths. So 1, 1, and then my 3 fourths slapped onto the side. So 7 fourths would be equal to 1 and 3 fourths. Okay? All right, so while I'm doing this, I will say oftentimes students kind of have a hard time subtracting or actually breaking apart the number bond. So if you do, maybe you can ignore the denominator, and that actually does tend to help you, and you can just take out your groups. Here's what I mean by that. Okay, if I have 11, I know I can take a group of 5 over 5 out, right? 11 fifths, I can take a group of 5 over 5, okay? Well, let's see, what else do I have left? Well, I have technically 11 minus this, my numerator will be 6, okay? So I know I can take out another group of 5 over 5. So 5 plus 5 equal 11, 5 plus 5 equal 10. Well, I know I can take a group of 1/5 out. Okay, so do you see how my numerators all add back up to 11? That's really what we're doing, okay? Like when you add or subtract fractions, you're really just paying attention to the top number. Same here, okay? Well, here is 1, and this would be 2. 1, 2. So 2 would be my whole number, or my big number, and I have 1/5 left over. So 11 over 5 would be equal to 2 and 1/5. Okay? Let's take a look at 3 more. Here I have 9 over 3. Well, I can take out a group of 3 over 3. Okay, so that would be 9 minus 3 would be 6 thirds. Okay, let's take out another group of 3 over 3. Well, that would add back up to 6, right? 3 plus 3 would be 6. Ooh, okay. I have another group of 3 over 3. Okay, well, 3, 6, 9. Okay, that adds up perfectly to my numerator over there. So this would be 1, 2, 3. So it would just be 3, right? There's no thirds left over. It adds up equally to 9 over 3, so my whole number would be 3. Okay, let's take a look at 10 over 4. So let's just start by taking out our groups of 4 over 4. 4 over 4, that would leave 6 over 4. I can take out another group of 4 over 4. Okay, so 4 over 4. 4 plus 4 would be 8, so 8. Okay, I can take out a group of 2 over 4. Okay, see how they all add back up? My numerators, that is, they add back up to the top number. Okay, so I have 1, 2. 2 would be my whole number, and then I have 2/4 left over. Okay? All right, let's take a look at one more here. Okay, so this is where it does get harder for students, right? You have a bigger top number, right? It may be kind of harder to get there, but the best thing to do is just take out groups of your whole and just see if you can get any more with that. Here's what I mean. All right, well, let's start with the 6/6. Okay, let's see. I can take another group of 6/6 out. All right, so that would be 12. Okay, 12 minus 19. Okay, let's see. Let's take another group of 6 out. Okay, 6, 12, 18. Okay, I'm really close. I can't take out another group of 6/6. I just have 1/6 left over. Okay, so this would be 6, 12, 18, 19. See how they all add back up to get to that top number? Okay, now let's write this as our mixed number. Well, this would be 1, 2, 3. So 3 would be my whole number, and I have 1/6 left over. All right, so there you have it. There is how I teach my students to put improper fractions as mixed numbers, how to write them, but we have to use a number bond, okay? Not my favorite method, honestly, but it is a way that your teacher may want you to do that, so it's best to be familiar with it. And yeah, it is a way to solve it. All right, hey, hope you liked this video. If you did, check out my others. You'll find one that you like. Take it easy. Bye.